Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful reviews. All the links mentioned in this KOS Internet overview are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using their services. Here's my take on KOS Internet, a provider I've been using. If you're thinking about signing up with KOS, this video should give you some useful insights. KOS Internet Services is a Canadian internet provider that really focuses on serving rural and underserved communities. They understand the challenges faced by individuals, families, and small businesses in these areas who often struggle to find decent internet options from the bigger providers. KOS primarily operates across Ontario, concentrating on delivering reliable internet connectivity to places where traditional broadband services are limited or simply non-existent. A major advantage of KOS Internet is the flexibility of their internet packages. They offer both DSL and fiber options, depending on your specific location, with speeds ranging from basic web browsing to more powerful plans that are suitable for streaming, online gaming, and working from home. This variety ensures KOS can cater to a diverse range of user needs and usage patterns. A big plus for heavy internet users is their unlimited data plans, meaning you won't be hit with any unexpected overage charges. KOS Internet stands out with its personalized customer service. Unlike many larger internet service providers, they emphasize a local, customer-centric approach. Their support team is readily available and has a reputation for swiftly resolving issues. This makes them a reliable option for those who prioritize efficient and helpful customer support. Furthermore, KOS offers transparent pricing, so you'll never encounter hidden fees and always know exactly what you're paying for every month. While KOS might not offer the absolute fastest speeds found in major urban centers, they excel at delivering stable and consistent connections in rural areas where choices are often limited. This makes KOS an excellent choice for users who value reliability and simplicity over ultra-high speeds. Their tailored services are also well suited for small businesses that rely on dependable internet for their daily operations. If you live in Ontario and are searching for an internet provider dedicated to rural connectivity, excellent customer service, and straightforward plans, KOS Internet is definitely worth looking into. For more detailed information on their specific plans and offerings, be sure to check the links in the description below. Thanks for watching. I hope this review helps you make an informed decision about your internet service.